Compare 65 and 129 thousandths and 65 and 12 hundredths. All right, when comparing two decimals, you're going to start at the leftmost place value and work your way to the right until you get a number that's different. So when I look at this leftmost place value, that gives me the tens place value. Those are both sixes. Since they're the same, I don't have an answer yet. Now you look at the ones. Those are both fives. They're the same. I don't have an answer yet. Look at the tenths place value. Those are the same, so at the moment, they're the same value. Now we take a look at the hundredths place value. Those are the same, so right now, they're the same value. And if you're wondering, whoa, how can we do this number and there's no number there? Remember, you can always attach a 0 at the end of a decimal and it doesn't change the value. So now when I look at these numbers, I notice that I have a 9 in the thousandths place value, which is greater than the 0 in the thousandths place value over here. So this number is greater than that number. So 65 and 129 thousandths is greater than 65 and 12 hundredths. And that's going to be our answer.